What's up, y'all? Today we are here at Dollywood Splash Country and we are checking out their brand new event, Neon Nights. For the first time ever, Splash Country will be open after dark with glowing lights, nighttime rides, and a completely different atmosphere than you will experience during the day. So we're gonna take you around, show you everything that Neon Nights has to offer, and hopefully answer this one question for you. Is Neon Nights worth adding to your Dollywood vacation? So let's go. Neon Nights is taking place here at Splash Country from June 19th through August 1st from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. on those nights. If you buy a ticket, you do get in the park at 6 p.m. So you get to experience the full park from 6 to 7. Then everything is closed for 30 minutes to prepare for the event. Tickets can be purchased on the Dollywood website. If you're not a pass holder, then tickets are $39.99. And if you are a pass holder, there is a $5 discount. So for the amount of time that you get to spend in the park, I do think that that is a fantastic value. With the pass holder discount, after taxes, I paid about $40. So to be in the park for 4 to 4.5 hours, I think it really is a great value. There's not a lot of people here. They've done a good job managing capacity. From what I've seen for the slides, they're about maybe a 5 to 10 minute wait. So that is fantastic if you're looking to make the most of your time here at the water park. One of the ways that Splash Country is making Neon Nights a must-do event is through event-exclusive food and beverage. So if you're hungry or thirsty at this event, there are about 4 or 5 locations that are open around the wave pool. They are open from 7 until 9:30 p.m. with special food, desserts, and drinks just for this event. One of the things that I have had so far tonight is the hot honey bear paw, which is essentially a flatbread pizza, but it's on a fried dough. And then it is mozzarella, hot honey chicken, red onions, and then a hot honey drizzle on top. This was fantastic. Personally, I do love anything hot honey, and there were copious amounts of hot honey on this. My mouth is still on fire. I think I was sweating a little, but it was fantastic. And it was big enough that if you have multiple people with you, you could definitely share this item. In addition to the event-specific food, there is also some event-specific merchandise. So far tonight, I have seen tank tops, t-shirts, and sweatshirts. So if you want to rep Neon Nights wherever you go, there is merchandise for that. the heart of Neon Nights is definitely the wave pool area. That is where the DJ is. It's very fun, high energy. It just feels like one big beach party here at Splash Country. In addition to the wave pool, the kids play area is open, as well as a number of the body slides and one of the raft slides. The crowd level is very manageable, so if you're looking to be able to get those rides in on the slides, this is definitely the time to come do that. As you can tell, the party behind me here at Splash Country continues well after the sun has gone down. The vibes tonight have just been perfect. It really is just like one big summer beach party or pool party. So the question, would you add or should you add Neon Nights to your Dollywood vacation this summer? From me, absolutely. For about $40, you get 3 hours of exclusive time in the park with the wave pool and multiple slide complexes. Plus, it's after the sun has gone down, so it's not as hot outside. And then the plethora of special food and beverage and merchandise for this event. A huge shout out to the team here at Dollywood because they did an awesome job with this event. So absolutely, if you're here on a Friday or Saturday this summer, make the trip over here to Splash Country for Neon Nights. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.